Are you looking for the best solder gun? In this video, we will break down the top 5 solder guns on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
The soldering gun included in this kit is one of Weller's most powerful models to date. It boasts dual power settings, which include 200 and 260 wattages. In addition to offering plenty of power, the D550 heats up in record fast times. It only takes 6 seconds for the gun to reach a temperature as high as 1000 degrees. One of the perks of the Weller is its pistol grip, which makes it easier for users to hold onto and control the device. It also has trigger-activated power output. What's more, it has 2 LED lights that help illuminate a user's workspace. On top of all that, the gun comes with a 7-year limited warranty. It comes with soldering, smoothing, and cutting tips. Besides, it features a flux brush, a soldering aid tool, and a coil of lead-free solder. The Weller 9400 PKS is an excellent product that prioritizes stability, reliability, smoothness, and safety. Despite being a heavy-duty soldering gun, it's remarkably compact and ergonomic, making it easy to handle. Additionally, it's versatile enough to be used in projects both large and small. Using a dual wattage power trigger, it even allows you to adjust the level of heat according to your needs. Being very ergonomic and user-friendly, it allows great control. Apart from making your tasks easier, this provides a higher level of precision when working on small details. However, the soldering gun allows a fantastic level of control when dealing with larger tasks, such as soldering pieces of metal together. To elevate the amount of control you have over it, this soldering gun also includes 3 LED lights that make the object you are working on more visible. The Weller 120V Dual Heat 140-100W Universal Soldering Gun is a portable and practical product. More than that, though, it's incredibly user-friendly. After being plugged into a power source, the soldering gun is ready to use. To do so, you are only required to become familiar with one simple trigger control. If you pull the trigger halfway, the gun will heat up to 140 watts. If you pull it all the way, however, it will heat up to 100 watts. When you need more power from a soldering gun, then the Weller is one of the best choices, because it gives you a high power wattage of about 300 watts. You can trigger 2 powers. 200 watts when low power is needed and 300 watts for high power. Normally 100 watts is perfect for home use, 300 watts for professional and industrial work. It is perfect for professional and home lab work. The temperature range of this superpower model is 1100 degrees Fahrenheit 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which is enough for any kind of soldering job. It is not heavy, only 5 pounds, much lighter as a high-power soldering gun. This amazing kit also includes 1 soldering tip, a coil of lead-free solder, user manual, and a storage case for carrying. For soldering purposes, it has a great reliability for highest performance with excellent durability. This soldering gun is a perfect choice for home or work use due to its high heat range and compact size. It can be easily gripped by one hand and features fingertip heat adjustment, making it easy to switch between heat settings without switching hands or moving the soldering gun too much. The housing is completely heat resistant, making the gun itself safer and gloves a little more optional. Even so, all relevant safety precautions should be followed at all times, and units should be monitored for malfunctions and regularly cleaned as needed. Moreover, the Weller D650 soldering gun is an excellent choice for consumers who want a soldering gun in a compact size with enough power to tackle tough jobs. At a compact size and single-piece design including the cord, it is easy to use and easy to transport for added portability. TABIGER soldering iron comes in 60W power, having a heat-up rate is lesser, 2 minutes, with an adjustable thermoset range of 200-450, with a solid steel pipe design for better heat dissipation and improved efficiency. Soldering irons for electronics kit includes a desoldering pump, tweezers, soldering iron stand, 5 different types of soldering bit solder, and sponge. All small tools are packed inside the plastic case, easy to carry with all accessories anywhere for repair projects. TABIGER Soldering Iron Kit is the best soldering irons gifting idea for beginners and experts for all sorts of repair activities like chipboards, PCBA, mobile, and computer hardware repairing, welding, guitar, watches, jewelry, small electronic works, etc.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.